Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs for Your Own Econ. And real quick, I just wanted to do a quick video. First of all, I want to wish everyone a happy holiday. Thanksgiving's coming up. If you're coming across this video before then or after, and you get any value out of this video, just press the subscribe button, or hit like if you like the video or if you don't like it. Either way, please just let us know. And I just want to talk real quick about Lead Lightning, which is powered by Power Lead System, which has been going on for 10 years. So this is a 10-year funnel. This funnel has been within the Power Lead System since the company Priceless Possibilities presented Power Lead System. I know that's a lot of entities there, but really just two. Power Lead System is the actual system that you can market anything, any opportunity. If you're in affiliate marketing, you can market anything. You can create funnels for it. And Lead Lightning is basically a funnel, which is the offering of the company that gives newbie marketers a chance to have their own funnel. You won't have access to all the benefits and all the tools, all the complete tools of Power Lead System, but enough to get you started, like the contact manager and the training. Of course, is going to show you how to bring traffic to your funnel, and just all the basics. It's going to give you a link to promote Lead Lightning, and of course it's going to give you a chance to promote also at the same time your primary company, which is outside of the marketing system, which is Lead Lightning. So if you have another network marketing company or affiliate marketing product you want to promote, you can promote that while at the same time promoting the system, which any newbie can take advantage of. But just real quick, just to, just go in and show you, how it's done, how it looks here, because anyone can get started with this. We just want you to know that you can start at any given time. And once again, this system, Power Lead System, has been going for over 10 years. So, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. After 10 years, I think they're solidified. And this is just a great system, And of course, they just launched a new set called 10X Tools, which is more marketing tools that help you further build your business and get you going. Just more marketing tools that will help you on your way. But Lead Lightning is just basically the perfect funded proposal where you can market Lead Lightning and also get upfront commissions, $6 commissions paid to you. And they're instant payments, and you'll be paid commissions off of every Lead Lightning sale, and it's one time $7. You get $6 off that sale, and that's one time. Once a person pay for that, they have the system for life until they decide to upgrade. And if they decide they don't want the upgraded package anymore, they can always downgrade back to Lead Lightning, so you don't lose it. You don't lose it or lose your prospects. So in order to go to the Lead Lightning, first of all, I want to point out that it is one of the done for you funnels that are already ready for you. So we're going to go into marketing, and it's going to say done for you funnel, and it is listed as one of the done for you funnels. And this is a video explaining how to set these up, and then of course it's going to lead you to join our Facebook group. But here are the 4 done for you funnels. We have Lead Lightning, Free Lead System, which is a free lead system. That's free. And you may ask, well, why would I purchase Lead Lightning one time when I can just get a free lead system? because that's clearly what this is. And then, of course, we have Fire Your Boss funnel. That's another funnel within the Power Lead system you can have with the Gold membership, Home Business Pro funnel, which, you get with Gold, and this one only makes sense if you have Home Business Pro. Lead Lightning, of course, that's the one-time $7. Why get this one as opposed to this one? Well, it's a funded proposal. You get commissions. It's only one time, and plus you get a little bit more than with Lead Lightning than you do with Free Lead System. You get all the training and whatnot with that one. But we're gonna go into. This is the link that I use. Now, I had this link set up for another page, but I just went on ahead and put it in here to show you how, you generate your link. You make up your name here, and I put Lead Lightning at my domain that I own, that I purchased through Power Lead System, and that created this link. When I click on the link, it gives you this. Now, this is the classic. I call the classic Lead Lightning page that has been around forever, and it still converts to this day. If you know how to drive traffic and the right traffic, which you get with your training in Lead Lightning. That's why it's good to get that one, purchase that one for $7, less than a meal at McDonald's. If you want some of the bigger regular meals, especially like a Big Mac meal, it's less than that one time. That's less than lunch for most people. But this is the classic lead lightning lead capture page, and it, like I said, it converts. I like this page, and that's the default page that you get when you make your subdomain. Then you're going to put your domain for your main website, and they're going to show you how to set that up in Fast Start training. So that's another thing. With Lead Lightning, you come in through Lead Lightning. I see people come into the group all the time through Lead Lightning, and you get training on how to set all this up and get your. So with this, with one of the funnels, it's either funnel A or funnel B, you will be able to promote Lead Lightning or your or promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. Now we're going to go into the legacy back office, and you can always go back to the classic legacy back office. This is the original back office, and we're going to click the easy button real quick. I'm going to show you how you can get both funnel A or funnel B. Okay, this is the same. Let's see. Okay, it explains it up here. It says website visitors who opt in the link at the bottom will receive emails from you sent by us. So the emails, the follow-up emails, after they opt into the classic lead, the page here, and enter in their email, because that's the whole point here, is to build your list. They're going to send emails. They're already lead email follow-ups, and emails 1, 3, and 5 will promote the Lead Lightning system here. Then the even numbers emails 2, 4, and 6 will promote your main outside website. Now this is mine, and I'm promoting the Cash Now funnel. So if I opt to promote both the Cash Now funnel and Lead Lightning, at the same time, which is the same opportunity, promoting a product from Power Lead System. Cash Now funnel essentially promotes the Gold membership for Power Lead system, but you can start for $1, a $1 trial, as you can see here. And then also it will promote Lead Lightning, through this particular system right here. So it's just a neat way to just not promote one. And yes, here it says here is the link to use to promote free lead system in your primary business. So this is a good starter program. I have the gold membership. I haven't been promoting Lead Lightning very much. I have some goals, but we're gonna drive some traffic to this and show you how easy it is. But this particular system, I know one of our team leaders, his name is James Famba, and he started out just promoting Lead Lightning, and he took a one-time $7 investment and turned it into thousands, a few I would say tens of thousands, because I think he made an upwards of 50,000 within 3 years. And then of course in between he promoted other programs, but he was he's up there, he's but he started with Lead Lightning, which is a one-time $7 program. So that's amazing, So that goes to show, anyone can do it. And he was a newbie then, on the come up. So, just to show you how easy it is to promote this particular system. Because me personally, I like the other lead capture page. And I'm going to go to websites. Now I set that up. I have the Lead Lightning domain here. I had it set to something else, but I let it go to the classic front page just to show any newbies what your front page is going to look like, and everything is already set up for you. You don't have to do any additional setup when you do that. They have your lead capture page. It's going to go to your contact manager, and if you want to get your own autoresponder, you can get technical help with that. If you want your own, if you're like me, if you want your leads to go to your own autoresponder that you own, then they can set that up for you. But I like this particular lead capture page just to show you real quick. I like this one because it just, it's just, I just like it. I think it's neat. And then, they click here and then the button pops up for them to enter their first name and email. It's good to have a first name always. But I think the classic, they just ask for the email, which is fine too. So, it won't be too much of a hassle to opt in. And I'm going to go to our team leader. There he is. And he has it pinned on his pinned post where and this is an interview that he did. How a respite worker, I'm sure, I guess some of y'all know what that is. Respite worker with yes, he was a newbie, zero online experience, turned the money he borrowed from his mom into $70,000 with Power Lead system. And I remember his videos, and he's doing an interview with one of the executives at Power Lead System Priceless Possibilities, and this is him. And I remember him promoting Power Lead System. That's all he used to promote: Power Lead System, Power Lead System. But if you want to join, you just click the link in the description. It's a one-time $7, and we can get you going. I want to show you the sales page real quick before we get out of here. There's two. This one has a lot of graphics. This is Lead Lightning sales page 2, but I like this one. It's straight to the point. It cuts to the chase. Lead Lightning, build a list of rapid buyers with the most powerful lead and money grabbing system. So, there's a quick video and it lets you know what it does. Then you can stroll on down. There's testimonials here. And there's the team leader I just showed you. That's his testimonial. Here it is. No monthly fees. Build a buyer's list. Easy to use. Very easy to use. Boost sales and enrollments. You can use it to, build a list and start from scratch. And mind you, this has been converting the same page for 10 years, over 10 years. More testimonials from more leaders, more testimonials from members. Only $7. So if you got $7 less than lunch, you can get started today and start building your list. And I can't stress enough how important it is to start building your list now and getting positioned, especially buyer's leads. These are buyer's leads. And once you find that program that you're really excited about, that you really want to join, then you already have a list of buyer's leads that will be ready to listen to you, following you, and will sign up under you. So positioning is everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you get value out of it. Click the link if you're ready to get started and start building that list. Our team members are going to train you in the Fast Start training on how to get the right traffic to your funnel. And we'll talk to you next time.